Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a small demo about RASA. It's a natural learning and artificial assistant. Um, so I have made a small example out of it using the UI and the setting up the RASA, which is running over here. So you see, actually RASA is responding here. For it, hello, it responds me back. So you see how it is learning and it is giving you response. Uh, the more into the learning part you can train your bot. So I'm trying to create a bot which will respond you as per as your requirement. So right now it's just a simple bot I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, if I say buy, so it has the intent, and then we have utter, which will be in the stories, and you have to put it in your domain.yml file. So actually I'm using in Windows because I've seen a lot of people asking to show the demo in the Windows. So yeah, so the thing is you have to first install Python in it, and you can use pip for all the dependency installation. So I have my project over here. You can clone the project, and once you clone it, you need to install all the dependencies. You can see in the list. If I say pip list, so yeah, I have all these dependencies installed. A lot of the dependencies comes along with the Python, and whatever is needed you can install it. Especially you see here RASA core and SDK, NLU, and TensorFlow. These libraries are very important. Actually, I'm running my RASA core into a TensorFlow itself, and then rather than you can also create a bash file out of it in the Windows, or else you just copy this whole command and you can use it directly here. So I'll just show you how you can start. So it is basically to train your models. So you see whatever the it's natural learning. So whatever you data you will be giving here, that will be trained and create a intent for you in the domain. So my next command is whatever the natural learning which you have given here, you have to do a train, and then I will run this command. So it'll create your story blocks. Okay, now it is ready. I'll just go ahead and I'll create a server to run the RASA core, and I'll enable the APIs so that I can access it with my UI, and I'll make the course open for all the endpoints. So I'm going ahead and I'm just running my RASA core. So you can see my bot is ready. So there are conversations which you can use the APIs. It's a post and get request. So I have my Angular which is running over here. So this is my Angular. So I'll just create it. Okay, I will say hi. Just responding me back. So you see, you have to train more your bot to any specific domain. Maybe it's insurance or maybe a medical domain. So you can train your bot. So the more data it comes, the more intelligent your bot will be. So yeah, so this is it. You can put your intent here. I'm also trying to create a bot. Okay, and then stories will be your intent, and the auterness will be like the questions can be asked by a user, and the same thing you have to put it in the greet in the domain YAML file. Okay, so that's it. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.